Hi, it's Bill Clinton again, and in this lesson we're going to learn how to do a parallel finishing toolpath. This is assuming that you've already done a horizontal roughing toolpath. So we're going to drop the 3-axis tab down and choose parallel finishing. Again, assuming you've already done a horizontal roughing toolpath. Okay, so again we'll select the drive containment regions. There we go, right click. The tool should transfer over from our previous toolpath. Let's make sure it did. Yes, it did. This is a much quicker toolpath to do. We're going to make sure the clearance plane is checked. Again, that transfers over 1/4 of an inch, 0.25. Cut parameters. We have some choices to make. We're going to leave 0 stock this time. That means that we're cutting to the exact surface that you drew. And we're going to do a mixed cut. In this case, we're going to step over 20%. Now, you can step over 1% if you like. It's going to take much longer to do because that's 1% of the diameter of the bit, which you remember is 1/2 inch. So let's generate that toolpath. And you can see what happened here. This is something you need to watch out for. In setup 1, the parallel finishing path now is first, and it does not want to be first. It wants to be last. So let's pull this down, change these around. There we go. So now we've got our horizontal roughing on top and the parallel finishing below. We can simulate that parallel finishing toolpath by choosing it and playing. You can see it is making a much finer cut and removing all the rough cut from the previous horizontal roughing pass. Keep in mind, if you want to see the toolpath, you can make that visible by clicking on this button, and then you will see the exact toolpath. In this case, it is stepping over 20%, so it's going to leave a scallop. You can actually use that as a design feature. We are basically ready to do post-processing, and we'll do that in the next lesson.